Wait a minute. How did we get here? Swiftwater rescue techniques require a specific set of circumstances and some good luck to be successful. Any activity in a river setting is inherently dangerous, and rescue skills applied inappropriately or by unskilled people may be hazardous to all on the scene. When we negotiate a river, we must perceive it as navigating through an active avalanche. It's a mountain falling down all around us. Rivers deserve respect. Nate Ostis, Swiftwater rescue instructor and author, shared these thoughts with wild salmon and steelhead trout crews and others at Lolo Creek.
Maybe I should have been in here last week, right? It's easy to get rusty again. Put any of these skills in the shed, they like rust overnight. We gotta figure out how to put it in the next.
Since 2008, Swiftwater rescue training has been required for wild salmon and steelhead trout snorkel survey crews. Other natural resource crews also attend. To date, more than 700 have participated in this annual spring training. Conducting snorkel surveys in Swiftwater streams requires a unique set of skills. In addition, the challenges each crew faces may differ because of the diverse stream environments they work in. The curriculum is routinely modified and adapted to suit the anticipated conditions and challenges crews may face during the field season. A core tenet of this training is learning to make hard moves in relatively easy water. This one-day session is no substitute for more in-depth training. However, it provides a suitable foundation upon which crews should continue to build. Some of the topics presented include solo and group stream crossings, equipment, reading the water and identifying hazards, swiftwater swimming techniques, shallow water entry, rescue rope throwing, foot entrapment, large woody debris, also known as strainers, and more. Strainers, or large woody debris, are a particular hazard of concern. They are a common element in swiftwater environments, regardless of the stream size. Therefore, crews learn techniques to address them. Transects with strainers should only be surveyed after the risk has been evaluated, discussed, and deemed manageable by all. The procedure for dealing with strainers is simple. Do not survey the transect if the strainer poses imminent danger of entanglement. The transect can be moved up or downstream to avoid the hazard, or the site can be abandoned completely. If there is such a thing as a golden rule for snorkel survey crews, it is this: no data is worth being physically harmed for. Crews hear this repeatedly during training and throughout the field season. It is a mantra espoused by all levels of crew management to cultivate and support a safety culture. These sessions present an opportunity to explore one's physical limits and comfort level in swiftwater environments. They also provide a basic introduction to some common terms and techniques used by those in the river user community. The shelf life of the skills learned here is dependent on the individual. Consequently, the need for additional formal training is variable. Some have participated almost every year since the program started. At a minimum, each crew should make an effort to practice and discuss the skills they learned here throughout the field season. Besides being applicable for the summer job, these skills may be useful during personal recreation on the water or when encountering a water emergency while traveling along a stream. With the knowledge gained during this session of swiftwater rescue training, crews are better prepared to snorkel survey wild salmon and steelhead trout streams. Ultimately, they will provide supporting data so fisheries and other resource managers can make informed decisions to benefit wild salmon and steelhead trout. Most entry-level snorkel survey crew members will move on to other opportunities to build their resumes after 1 or 2 field seasons. The majority claim this basic swiftwater rescue training was valuable, relevant, and one of the most memorable parts of their summer while working on a wild salmon and steelhead trout snorkel survey crew.